Have you ever used AutoCAD or Civil 3D's data on your Google Earth? And is it possible for all of us? If you don't know about it or you want to extend your information about using Google Earth, AutoCAD, or Civil 3D, please watch this video until the end. This way is highly applicable for highway designers. They can investigate their designing by using the global mapper and Google Earth to approve their trustability of their plans. So, after designing their plans in AutoCAD or Civil 3D environment, they should use the global mapper as alternative software. So, as same as the previous video that we wanted to convert the KML format to DWG format, we should use the file menu and put into batch convert or reproject. So choose the DWG for the first format and KML or KMZ for the second one. And after adding our files, we should choose suitable directory for putting our final format there. Now our convert will be finished. Now we can use the KMZ of our project in Google Earth environment. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, our project is absolutely accurate and we can trust our final result. Thanks for watching this video until the end. Please subscribe our channel, like our video, and make us informed about your ideas through your comments. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Bye bye.